by Spider-Man what?
Spider-Man life.
What?
I
You do?
Yeah. What?
Who bought that for you?
Yeah. How's not?
No. How lucky are you exactly?
I'm gonna inside.
Too nice to sit inside.
Huh?
So beautiful out.
What is it?
Aren't they in line for their food?
Oh, what's here?
They're sitting inside. I bought you lunch and you're sitting inside. I'm sitting out here by myself. This has got some questions. Where does your Aunt Mary Pat live?
London.
London. And what are your cousins' names?
Jimmy, chicken.
What are you doing? He's a monkey. Can't drop there. You'll hit your chin. Sit backwards again.
Watch it, watch it.
What's your name, little boy? Can't do it. I'm telling you.